Alright, if you're anything like me, you get tired of always trying to just do the same old thing and add small numbers. So today, we're going to learn how to actually add some larger numbers. And I picked this beautiful picture of these strawberries because that's actually what we're going to use as our example. So I love strawberries. Mrs. Donnelly loves strawberries too. And we want to know how many we eat all together in one sitting. Quite a few. So if I eat 792 strawberries and she eats 543, which isn't that many strawberries, we're going to find the total. The first and most crucial step of adding is to line up your numbers. As you can see right here, these aren't stacked up very well. Just like when you add smaller numbers, you need to stack the numbers perfectly on top of each other. And I'm going to show you that right now. And it's as simple as, and you've lined up your numbers correctly. So now I have an addition problem of those larger number of strawberries. 792 strawberries and her measly 543 strawberries. Now, let's get to adding. You guys actually know how to do this pretty well already. You just kind of don't know it yet. So to add larger numbers, it's pretty much like adding smaller numbers. If I know my math facts, for example, 3 plus 2, it's as easy as 5 is my first number in my answer. Then I want to work my way from right to left. It's kind of the opposite of reading. When we add, we want to go from right to left. And I'm going to ask myself, what is 9 and 4 more? And I know that 9 plus 3, or 9 plus 4 rather, is 13. I'm going to put the 3 down here because I always want to put my ones place below, right where my cursor is, right here. Oops. And I want to line it right up underneath so I know what answer goes with what. And then I'm actually going to put my 1 right up in this area. This 1 comes from the tens place from our answer from 9 plus 4 equaled 13. We're going to carry that 1 over into the hundreds place because it's actually like having 10 groups of 10, and we know that 10 groups of 10 is actually 100, so I put this 1 over my hundreds place. And now it's as simple as adding 5 plus 7, which is 12, and 1 more. That's right, 13. So I'm going to put my 13 underneath there. I'm going to line my 3 right up under that 7, 5, and 1 and put my 1, comma, and I gotta make sure to keep that lined up. It's a little tough when I'm doing this typing, but it's going to be easier for you on pencil and paper. And then of course, we always know you've got to have your label. And that's how you're going to add larger numbers. One more little thing, just want to give a shout out to Marcio Cabral de Mora. Sorry for butchering your name, but I appreciate you allowing me to use your picture of those beautiful strawberries that I love so much. Hope you learned how to add larger numbers so you too can be done with those small puny numbers. See you next time.